Hello YouTube family. Good morning. This morning I want to talk about how to do the affiliate marketing the right way and how to build and what steps to take and more. So I will introduce myself. My name is Primm and I've been in this industry since 2023. Before that I was doing surveys, paid surveys, and making ends meet, and I figured that affiliate marketing might be the best thing for me. So now I want to tell you what is affiliate marketing. It's where you promote offers, and like companies ask you to promote their offers, you get a percentage of that commission. It could be 10%, 20%, 30%, 40, 50. Sometimes they also offer tier 2 on commission. So that means that you bring somebody else on and they bring somebody on board, that you get maybe 10 or 2% of that as well. So that's a nice thing for that. And more. So that's a good thing. But that's what affiliate marketing is. So you go promote that on all your social media feeds, like I'm doing right now, like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and all those other platforms. Or you can use paid traffic sources like Solar Ads or Google Ads and Facebook Ads and all the other lists. But that's different ways you can promote your offers. Now I want to tell you how to build. You want to choose the right offers that are not with your niche. You don't want to promote opportunities you don't have no knowledge of or you not sure of. And second, you want to be ethical and honest and always put disclosures on your profiles or when you do a post or doing a YouTube video. You don't want to not do that because you will get in trouble for that, and that's not a good thing to do. So you got to do things the right way. And thirdly, be a good teammate. Help your audience out with any questions they got, and be there for them 24/7, 365, or whatever. Don't leave your teammates behind, because otherwise they'll go find somebody else to join, and that person could be your ideal customer. Instead, you turn them to something else. So that's how you build. Now, what you should do now. There are programs out there where you can promote your affiliate offers. There's JView0, World Plus, ClickBank, DJ Store 24, and more. So you go those, you create an account on those, and then you find good products to promote, and then you go from there. So that's how you find those offers. So to close out this video, that's what you should do when you starting out affiliate marketing. So that's how you close it out. Now, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and I will post all my social media links on here, the ones I'm on, and you can check me out on those. And that's all I got for now. So y'all have a great day, great Monday to start your Monday off, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.